ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 145. This is the last mantra. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Tamasoma Jyotirmaya, this is what we were seeing here. Tama is not the Laukika Tama. It is not darkness. Tama here means ignorance. But ignorance of which kind? So that was said that which results in the Maranam. Marana Hetu. Marana Hetu means which will continue my transmigration. Jyotihi Amritam Purvokta Viparitam Daiva Swarupam. This was the last sentence we saw in Bhashya, second last line in Bhashya. Daiva Swarupam is not Amritatvam. Daiva Swarupam is delaying the death, the frequent death which is there in the human body, that is delayed. Why? Because I will have much longer day. Each day is longer in Devaloka. Prakashatmakatvat jnanam jyotis tadeva amritam. So earlier, jnana sadhana, shastriya karma is jnana sadhana. Jnana means upasana sadhana. And now this devatatma prapti is the jnana, upasana phala. Tadeva amritam avinashatmakatvat tasmat tamaso ma jyotirgamayeti. It is avinashatmakatvam. Avinashatmakatvam. Amarana hetu does not mean you don't die in upasana. Just delayed death. Apekshika amritatva. Relatively, you have longer lifespan if you become a devata. Tasmat tamasoma jyotirgamayeti. Therefore, tamasoma jyotirgamayeti. Tika. Jnanam tena sadhyam iti yavat. Jnanam is sadhyam. Tena means with this shastriya karma, etc., then I can do upasana. Padarthokti samapta viti shabdaha. Padarthokti samaptau iti shabdaha. Which is this iti shabdaha? Jyotirgamayeti. That is where I stopped. That one. Iti. Jyotir tamasoma jyotirgamaya iti. The last line on that 145 bhashya. उत्तर वाक्याभ्याम वाक्यार्थस्तद फलन च इति द्वयम क्रमेण उच्यते. So three things were there. What are the three things? Padartha, Vakyartha, Phala. The meaning of the words, meaning of the sentence, and the result of this whole thing, three things they said mantra is talking about. So in that, padartha is done. Now we are at vakyartha and the phala. Purvavan mrityorma amritam gamaya iti. So, like earlier, mrityorma amritam gamaya iti. Amritam ma means mam kurvityeva etadaha. Amritam ma mam kuru in bhashya. Purvavat like asatoma satgamaya. Like that, here also mrityorma amritam gamaya. फलवाक्यम आदाय पूर्वस्माद् विशेषम दर्शयति. So there is difference from the previous one. How that he is explaining now. Falavakyam adaya. Amritam ma means mam kuru. Iti make me amrita means I will attain devatatma prapti. Devata bhava prapti. Daivam prajapatyam falabhavam apadaya ityartha. May I attain Devata Bhava. Devata Bhava here is becoming Hiranyagarbha. Prajapatyam Phalabhavam Apadaya ityartha. Tika Bhashya. Tika. Prathama Dvitiya Mantrayor Artha Bheda Pratitehe Punaruktim Ashankya Avantar Bhedam Ah. Prathama mantra was Asatoma Sadgamaya. And Dvitiya mantra
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya.
Prathama Dvitiya Mantrayoho Artha Bheda Apratitehe. Somebody says it doesn't look like there is any difference between these two. It's just a repetition. Punaruktim Ashankya. So it says there is slight inner difference. Avantar Bhedam. Not main difference, but slight inner difference. What is that? That sentence you mark now, 146 in Bhashya, first line and second line. Purvo mantro asadhana swabhavat sadhana bhavam apadayati. Dvitiyastu sadhana bhavat api ajnana rupat sadhya bhavam apadayati. First mantra, what it says, asadhana bhavat sadhana bhava. That I don't have any right means. What are the right means? Shastriya karma, Shastriya upasana. So from Ashastriya karma, Ashastriya upasana, I transition to Shastriya karma upasana. This is from asadhana bhava to sadhana bhava. This is the first one. Dvitiyastu, what is the second one? Sadhana bhavat api ajnana rupat sadhya bhava. From sadhana, I go to sadhya. Means from the means, I come to the goal. So asatoma sadgamaya is asadhana to sadhana. Tamasoma jyotirgamaya is sadhana to sadhya. And next one is mrityorma amritam gamaya is given in the Bhashya. Mrityorma amritam gamaya iti purvayoreva mantrayoho samuchito artha trutiyena mantrena uchyate. Iti prasiddharthata eva. What is the third one saying? What the first two said, same thing is said by the third one. Mrityorma amritam gamaya is not saying anything new. What is the samuchita artha? Meaning together is what is said by the third one. Sitika. Tathapi tritiya mantre punarukti hi tadavastha iti ahya. The third mantra is also saying the same thing what first one said, second one. So we said no, first one is saying slightly different. Second one is saying slightly different. And third one is saying what first and two together are saying. So there is no repetition. पूर्वयोरेव मंत्रयोः समुचितो अर्थः तृतीयेन मंत्रेण उच्यते इति प्रसिद्धार्थता एव। न अत्र तृतीय मंत्रे तिरोहितम अंतर्हितम इव अर्थरूपम पूर्वयोरिव मंत्रयोरस्ति यथा श्रुत एव अर्थः। In the third one, there is no hidden implied meaning. Tirohitam, like asatoma sadgamaya has some meaning. Asadhana to sadhana. Tamasoma jyotirgamaya from sadhana to sadhya. This mrityorma amritam gamaya is straight. So whatever that mantra said, that I am in the manushya bhava, lot of mortality there. From that deva bhava, so mortality is delayed. यथा श्रुत एव अर्थः। ठीक है। वृत्तम अनुद्य उत्तर वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याचष्टे। वृत्तम, वृत्तम मीन्स कथितम, what is already said, what was already said anudya. So now bringing that reference again, because the meaning of the mantra is over. Mantra means only these three lines, three mantras, but rest of the part is there. So now vrittam anudya uttar vakyam, the later part of that, अवतार्य व्याचष्टे। याजमानम उद्गानम कृत्वा पवमानेषु त्रिषु अथ अनन्तरं यानि इतराणि शिष्टानि स्तोत्राणि तेषु आत्मने अन्नाद्यम आगायेत्। अन्नाद्यम आगायेत्। So याजमानम उद्गानम कृत्वा, यजमान related udganam is done. कृत्वा pavamaneshu trishu, in the three pavamana, first three which are the purifying out of the 12. In the Hindi, see, there is a correction. Second paragraph, तीन पवमानों में यजमान गामी फलक उद्गान को करने के अनंतर जो 9 बचे हुए, 3 नहीं 9, 3 are over, so now 9 are remaining, right? बचे हुए स्तोत्र हैं। यानी इतराणि शिष्टानि स्तोत्राणि, इन भाष्य, यानी इतराणि शिष्टानि स्तोत्राणि, नवसंख्याकानि, तेषु आत्मने अन्नाद्यम आगायेत्. So for yajmanam it is done, the 3 pavamana stotra part, the rest are atmane, for one's own self. प्राणविद उद्गाता, ठीक है, यथा प्राणस्त्रिषु पवमानेषु साधारणम आगानम कृत्वा शिष्टेषु स्तोत्रेषु स्वार्थम आगानम अकरोत् तथा इत्याह। यथा प्राणस्त्रिषु पवमानेषु, प्राण in the 3 pavamana, साधारणम आगानम is done. साधारणम टिप्पणी अविशेषेण सर्व प्राण उपकारकम. So first it will help all indriyas, sarva prana upakarak. Kritva shišteshu stotreshu, in the remaining 9, swartham aganam akarot, for one's own self, that prana is doing this. So just as prana is doing this, pranavid udgata, pranabhutaha pranavat eva, full stop. After pranavad eva, full stop in bhashya. So the pranavid udgata, pranabhutaha pranavat eva. यस्मात् स एषः उद्गाता. Let's see टीका first. तद्विदो अपि तद्वद आगाने योग्यताम आह. Pranavit, the one who is the upasaka, is also now eligible for Atmane, means he will recite the mantras, he will get the result, not the Yajamana. Hetu Vakyam Adav Yojayati. Yasmat. So now Yasmat is the Hetu Vakyam. Yasmat sa esha udgata evam pranam yathoktam veti atah प्राणवत एव तं कामं साधयितुं समर्थः तस्माद् यजमानस्तेषु स्तोत्रेषु प्रयुज्यमानेषु वरं वृणीत यं कामं कामयेत तं कामं वरं वृणीत प्रार्थयेत. यस्मात् स एषः उद्गाता एवं प्राणं यथोक्तं वेत्ति. This Udgata of the prana, he knows, he is the knower, means he is the upasaka. So then he will be able to, because he is the knower, because he is the upasaka, therefore he will be able to recite those things for Yajmana to get whatever result he wants, he will be able to do it. Pranavat eva tam kamam sadhayitum samartha. How Prana was able to do the Kama Siddhi for the Devatas. Devatas said, you do this. When you recite, then we'll be able to win over the Asuras. This knower of Prana, means Prana Upasaka, also will be able to do such thing. Whatever Yajamana says, whatever his desire is, if the Upasaka agrees, he will be able to get that. So all these people, and this is why these Upasakas, Prana Upasakas, lot of people go to them. The hall is full. Why? What Satya Kama, Satya Sankalpa, they not like Paramatma, but they are Upasakas, whatever desire is there. But the same thing they say is for Jnani also. Tasmad Atmagnyam Hyarchayet Bhuti Kama. Bhuti Kama, a person who wants some Vibhuti, that person, he should worship Atmagnya. In Mundaka Upanishad, this mantra is given. So anybody who does this for Atmajnani, why it will happen? See, they will be Satya Sankalpa because they don't entertain any Sankalpas for themselves. Atmajnani. They don't have any desires. So then it is said, I have heard, for 12 years, if you don't do any Sankalpa, then all your Sankalpas will be, means whatever somebody else puts Sankalpa in you, that Mahatma ji do this, Maharaj ji do this, it will happen. So, in other words, for 12 years you have to live desireless. Main thing is this. And for Upasaka, they have done that kind of tadatya. So people go there. Oh, there is one difference, but Upasakas, Punya, Kshaya will keep happening. For Jnani, that will not be the case. It will always be there. But Jnani will generally say, don't ask for fulfillment of these, that, study. Don't work for any other thing, because what is most important is Ajnana Nivritti. If that doesn't happen, then you will always stand here in line. That I don't want. Pranavadeva tam kamam sadhayitum samartha. Tasmat yajamanas teshu stotreshu prayujyamaneshu varam vranita. Then when that yajmana who is engaged in this ritual part, varam vranita, yam kamam kamayeta, tam kamam varam vranita prarthayeta. Whatever that yajmana has desire, whatever desire he will entertain, it will be fulfilled by this upasaka. Now see the tika. So in tika it was a pratignya vakyam vyachaste. Pratignya vakyam vyachaste tasmad. Tasmad was there in the bhashya. That last line, tasmad yajamanas teshu stotreshu, 146 bhashya. Now somebody is asking a question that you change the sequence of the mantra. Kimiti vyatyasena vakyadvaya vyakhyanam. Vyatyasa means changing the order. What is first, you are defining later. What is second, you are defining it first. Kimiti vyatyasena vakyadvaya vyakhyanam iti ashankya. अर्थाच इति न्यायेन पाठक्रमम् अनादृत्य इति परिहरति. अर्थाच is the मीमांसक सूत्र, पूर्व मीमांसा सूत्र, and you already know from arthakrama पाठक्रम. So पाठक्रमाद अर्थक्रमो बलियान. What is the drishtanta given for this? This I had said that this is Agnihotram juhoti yavagum pachati. That halwa with less ghee. So yavagum pachati comes later as far as the pathakrama is concerned. But arthakrama, first you have to do the yavagupaka, then Agnihotram juhoti will come. So you remember that. So exactly this is the thing here. Shruti, Artha, Patha, Sthana, Mukhya, Pravritti. These are the 6 pramanas for which vidhi is this?
Prayoga vidhi.
Prayoga vidhi. Shruti, Artha, Patha, Sthana, Mukhya, Pravritti. So it's helpful to study Artha Sangrahana. So Pathakrama is rejected. Iti pariharati. Now first you just quickly see the mantra. Then you will understand what is the discussion. Otherwise, page number 143. Atha yani, third line onwards. Atha yani itarani, in the mantra. Yani itarani stotrani, teshu atmane, annadyam agayet. Everybody found? Annadyam agayet. Tasmad u teshu varam vrunita, yam kamam kamayeta, tam saha esha evam vid udgata. Atmane, etc. So here, Teshu varam vranita yam kamam kamayeta. This is first. And later is given sa esha evam vid udgata. But sa esha evam vid udgata is the hetu, is the reason. Because he is like prana, he is the knower of prana and he is the udgata, he is the reciter of this stotram, identified with that prana. Therefore, tasmad teshu varam vranita yam kamam kamayeta. Therefore, he will be able to give that result who has that desire, whatever they express. So, the order of explaining this mantra is changed. This is called Vyatyas. Vyatyasa. That is what the question is raised. किमिति व्यत्यासेन वाक्यद्वय एक्सेट्रा। सी भाष्य 147 फर्स्ट लाइन। यस्मात् स एष एवं विद उद्गाता इति तस्मात् शब्दात् प्रागेव संपद्यते। यस्मात् सह एष एवं विद उद्गाता, since he is the knower of, knower means he has done this upasana, identified himself intensely, therefore tasmat, therefore he is able to give the desired result to the yajmana through the yaga, through this ritual. तस्मात् शब्दात् प्रागेव संबध्यते। आत्मने वा यजमानाय वा यं कामं कामयते इच्छति उद्गाता तम आगायति आगानेन साधयति। आत्मने वा यजमानाय, for one's own sake, that prana, or for the sake of yajmana, either of them, yam kamam kamayate ichhati, whatever desire is expressed, that will be entertained. Udgata tam agayati, aganena sadhayati. So when he will do the aganam, that desire will be fulfilled. टीका। सह एषः एवं विद उद्गाता आत्मने यजमानाय वा यं कामं कामयते तम आगानेन साधयति। सह एष एवं विद उद्गाता, दिस उद्गाता, knower, आत्मने यजमानाय वा यं कामं कामयते, whatever desire is entertained for one's own sake or for the yajmana, the host, tam aganena sadhayati, through this aganam he fulfills that desire. यस्मादिति हेतु ग्रंथः तस्मादिति प्रतिज्ञा ग्रंथात् प्रागेव संबध्यते। तस्मादिति प्रतिज्ञा, यस्मादिति हेतु, so hetu has to precede pratignya. Yasmat should come before tasmat. Since this is the case, therefore this is the result. Pratignya granthat prageva sambadhyate iti yojana. Oh, next now. Vrittam kirtayati. एवं तावत ज्ञान कर्मभ्याम प्राणात्मा पत्तिः इति उक्तम। In this way, through upasana and karma, one can become Hiranyagarbha. Pranatma pattihi means he will become prana, sutratma. टीका। तत्र कर्म समुच्चिते ज्ञाने देवताप्तौ शंका संभवो नास्ति। मिथः सहकृतयोर ज्ञान कर्मणोस् तदाप्ति हेतुत्वात् इत्याह। कर्म समुच्चिते ज्ञाने, when that jnanam is having samuchaya with karma, upasana and karma samuchaya. This is avidya mrityum tirtva vidya mritam ashti. In Ishavasya, this is given. Devata aptau shanka sambhava nasti. In this, there is no doubt. Mithaha sahakritayoho jnana karmanos tadapti hetutvat. Mithaha paraspara, mutual. When performed together, sahakritayoho jnana karmanoho, upasana and karma, when they are done together, you will get the result. तद आपति हेतुत्वात् इत्याह। तत्र नास्ति आशंका संभवः। There is no scope for any doubt. समनंतरम वाक्यम अवतारयति. So next sentence अवतारयति। अतः कर्मापाये प्राणापत्तिर्भवति वा न वा इति आशंक्यते। So when the question is raised now, karma apaye, so when karmas are over, karma abhava is there, or only upasana is done, pranapatti will happen or not? Pranapatti bhavati va na va iti ashankyate. Tada shanka nivrityartham aha. So for removing that shanka, it is said. तदेतत् लोकजिदेव इति तदह तद एतत् प्राणदर्शनम कर्मवियुक्तम केवलमपि लोकजित् एव इति लोकसाधनम एव. Only prana upasana devoid of karma also is a means to attain Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha loka. In Hiranyagarbha prapti is possible. See in Tika. समुच्चयात् फल प्राप्तेर दृष्टत्वात् इति यावत्. अतः for this reason, since samuccaya will already give Hiranyagarbha prapti, jnana karma means upasana and karma samuccaya will give Hiranyagarbha prapti. Only upasana will also give, to say that ataha is given. नह इत्यादिना पदानि छिंदन वाक्यम आदाय व्याकरोति. Naha. So now further in the mantra it is given Naha. So Bhashyakar also takes that. Naha eva alokyataya alokarhattvaya asha ashamsanam prarthanam naivastih. Naha eva alokyataya aloka arhatvaya. So alokyata means that I don't attain the prana, Hiranyagarbha, Brahmaloka, etc. That I don't attain this kind of error is not there. This kind of mistake he will not. Means this kind of erroni, the Viparit Jnanam only. This kind of Viparit Jnanam he will not have. Why? Because he has already attained what he is supposed to attain through that Abhimana. When I am doing Upasana, if my Abhimana is that I have become Prana, I am Prana. Whether I will get the result or not, that doubt is not there. Because while I am here itself, I have already made sure that Devatatma Bhava is there. So I will get the result. So in all these, there is no doubt. Here itself you will know whether, of course, in Upasana case, result you don't get here. Result you will get hereafter. But the certainty is here. That is given. नहीं प्राणात्मनि उत्पन्न आत्म अभिमानस्य तत्प्राप्ति अशंसनम संभवति. प्राणात्मनि उत्पन्न आत्म अभिमानस्य, in pranatma, the one who has atma abhimana, तत्प्राप्ति अशंसनम, whether I will get it or not, that shanka is not there. For that example is given. Tatra drishtantamaha. Tika. Nahi. Bhashya. Nahi gramastha kada gramam prapnuyam iti aranyastha iva ashaste. Person who is in forest, he might think, when will I reach the village? But the person who is already in the village, he is not going to say, when will I reach village? He is already there. So person who has done this upasana, he will not have doubt whether I will attain it or not. Because here itself he says, I already am trupta, that I have attained whatever my upasana phalam is. Tika, drishyamanam ashamsanam tarhi kasmin vishaye syat iti ashankya. Then this drishyamanam ashamsanam, this kind of doubt which is seen, this will be regarding which subject? Drishyamanam is loke. Kasmin vishaye syat. This is only if the Vishaya is असन्निकृष्ट विषये हि अनात्मनि आशंसनम न तत् स्वात्मनि संभवति. Asannikrushta Vishaya, something which is far remote, in that you may have doubt whether I will get it or not. When you do upasana, you identify with that thing, that this is who I am. So then this gap is not there. Tika, pranatmana vyavasthitasya vidushas तदात्म भावम कदाचित अहम न प्रपद्येयम इति आशंसनम नास्ति इति निगमयति. प्राणात्मना व्यवस्थितस्य विदुषः, that jnani jnani means this upasaka who has identified as Hiranyagarbha, tadatma bhavam kadachid aham na prapadyeyam, maybe I will not attain it, such kind of doubt, ashansanam nasti, he doesn't have any doubt. Same thing is true for Brahma Jnanam also. Once I have Dridha Brahma Jnanam, then I should not ask, I have Jnanam, I am not sure whether I will get next birth or not. If you ask, I will have next birth or not, this I have doubt, that means your Jnanam is not Dridha. Because there is no question of this birth. Where is the question of next one? I am Brahma, I don't have this birth. Over. Then there is no such thing. I have understood this birth I don't have, but I still have doubt about next birth. Even that should not happen. That much firm jnanam I should have. Tika tasmad na asha asti kadachit pranatma bhavam na prapadyeyam iti. Therefore, such asha means ashansanam, means a dual thought, whether I will attain pranatma bhava or not, such thing is not there for jnani, for upasaka. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Multiveda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.